Question 3 then. 4 marks for area under a curve, and it's a nice clean diagram. You don't even have this curve crossing the x-axis or anything like that. Calculate this shaded area under this parabola here. 4 marks, well, let's just add it all up. Integrate from 2 to 4 of x squared minus 2x plus 3 dx. Oh, you just go through the process. Add 1 to the power, divide by the power. Add 1 to the power 2, divide by that, so that takes that away. And if it's that, it just goes back up to the linear term. Don't put the plus c in because you're going to evaluate it and it just can't subtract itself out. Evaluate that from 2 to 4. So it'll be a third of 4 cubed minus 4 squared plus 3 times 4. Minus, same again, a third of, only this time with 2 cubed, minus 2 squared plus 3 times 2. And since it's paper 2, even though you could work that, it's not too bad because the fractions aren't very small, you could just type it all into your calculator and then put your final answer down. I think I'll just work it out. So that's what, 64 upon 3. That's 16, that's 12, and I'm going to take away, oops, I'll just put that in a bracket, that's 8 upon 3 minus 4 plus 6. Then I can do the number parts separately. So, that 4 can join the 12 to make a 16, knocking out the negative 16, so that's just going to leave me with a minus 6. 8 from 64 is 56. Then that's 18 bits, so taking 18 away will be 838, so there's the answer. 38 upon 3, or 3 into that goes 12, 36, 2 left over. Units squared. Or that. Number 4. 3 marks, find the inverse function. So you'll probably just go y, make it y equals, and then you rearrange it and then change it all into x's. But I think I'll just do it this way instead. I'll say this. I know this function. If I let that function operate on the thing that I want, the inverse, that should take me back to the starting input. So what does that do to anything you put in? It takes it, so g to negative 1x, it subtracts 4, and then it cubes the lot, and that gives me it. So I'll start unpacking that g by taking off the wrapping here. So that cube will go across as a cube root, and here you are. That 4 goes across as plus 4, although you probably didn't do it that way. You probably did it the y equals way.